Science 2 kiddos, I'm going to make a quick video just walking you through how to use the gravity and orbits PhET and what I want you to do for this classwork in particular. So you want to click on the model option right there. There's to scale and model. So we'll work with the model for now. First thing you're going to do is actually in this upper right corner option, select the third from the top, or third one down, which is just the moon and Earth, and you can click play and watch it rotate around. And the first thing I'd like you to do is just let it do one full rotation and then note down how many days it takes the moon to do that in that little timer right there. And then you're going to just let it play, but we're going to add in the gravity, force, velocity, and path options, which lets you see a couple details, and there's a couple questions you need to answer based off that. This sort of matches nicely with everything we've been learning about orbit so far, in particular the moon and the idea of things falling around our planet Earth. And then I then ask you to switch the gravity off like that, which you'll see something very interesting happens. You want to think about why that happens, and you can always hit the reset button for that. Now reset, again, it takes me back to the moon and Earth again, but I want to now select the next one down, which is the moon, Earth, and sun. Sorry, that was Earth and sun originally. And again, hit play on that, and you'll see that you've got the moon rotating the Earth and the Earth rotating the sun. As usual, we'll turn on the gravity, force, velocity, and path, and you'll see that something seems a little different just about the way the moon is moving when we look at it in this way and from this perspective. So again, there's a couple of questions you can answer about that. Again, you can always also hit this fast forward button if you get impatient. Just makes things move faster, so you can at least get to see one full rotation there. And then you just need to sort of play around with this a little bit and film for Flipgrid. Your challenge is to try to get the moon to fall away from the Earth and either fall into the sun or exit the fall away from the entire solar system, but the moon cannot hit the Earth. So play around with the star mass and the planet mass a little bit to see if you can make that happen, and then film it for Flipgrid. I've made a separate video about how you can film your screen using Flipgrid. It's pretty straightforward, and that's all you need to share.